Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all good. Okay, let's welcome to the daily current affairs. World Water Week is from 23rd of August to 27th of August. And the theme for this World Water Week is building resilience faster. And it is an this World Water Week is an annually event organized by the Stockholm International Water Institute, and this week is to tackle the international water troubles and associated concerns of global development. And this World Water Week is organized from 23rd of August to 27th of August. It is entirely in the digital format only. Next one, Arvind Kumar appointed as MD of Chennai Petroleum Corporation. Here, this Arvind Kumar is an executive director of Indian Oil Corporation Limited, that is IOCL. He is an executive director, and now he is appointed as the managing director of Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, and he is going to continue in this as a charge of MD for the period of upcoming next 5 years, for the next 5 years, or else he would be continued till his retirement, whichever the date comes first. He would be take charge as MD in that post. Next one, Neobolt, a motorized wheelchair vehicle developed by IIT Madras. Here, this Neobolt is the India's first indigenous motorized wheelchair vehicle, which is developed by the IIT Madras. It can be used on the roads, and also it can be used on an uneven terrains. The maximum speed of this Neobolt is about 25 km per hour, and the price and the cost of this Neobolt is available to all the users is approximately 55,000 rupees, and it is powered with the lithium ion battery, which can be travel up to 25 km per hour. Next one, IIT Delhi researchers developed modified cotton fabric which absorbs air pollution. This Institute of Technology Delhi have developed a cotton fabric which observes the air pollutants in the air, and is named as ZIF 8 at the rate of CM cotton, and another one is 67 at the rate of CM cotton. Here the ZIF means zeolite imidazolite framework. It is a type of cotton which is modified by the IIT Delhi, and which helps to observe the air pollutants from the air like benzene, aniline, and styrene from the air. Next one, Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment has flagged off Operation Blue Freedom. Here, the Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment is Dr. Virendra Kumar. He flagged off the Operation Blue Freedom from the Dr. Ambedkar International Center, which is at New Delhi. And this Operation Blue Freedom is comprised of a team of people with disabilities from across the country, and they are going to reach the Siachen Glacier to set a new world record. Uh, by, by reaching the people from to this Siachen Glacier, and all the people are of who are of disabilities, so the new world record going to be set as the largest team of people with disabilities reaching the world's highest battlefield. Next one, CCI imposes 200 crore penalty rupees 200 crore penalty on Maruti for restricting discounts by dealers. If the chairperson of CCI is Ashok Kumar Gupta, and the CCI is a Competition Commission of India, where it is helped to eliminate the practices having adverse effect on competition, promote and sustain competition. And it is also ensure freedom of trade in the markets of India. Here, this CCI has imposed a rupees 200 crore penalty on Maruti, where for not for having for by which the Maruti had an agreement with its dealer, where the dealers were restrained from offering discounts to the customers beyond the prescribed of the Maruti Limited, where the Maruti has had a discount control policy with the dealers, where the dealers can't be given the discount rates to the customers beyond the limits given by the Maruti company. So the by having this type of policy of on dealers by the Maruti, the CCI has imposed a rupees 200 crore penalty on the Maruti. Next one, WEF Sustained Development Impact Summit 2021 will be take place in Geneva, Switzerland. That is World Economic Forum's Sustainable Development Impact Summit 2021, and the theme for this summit is shaping an equitable, inclusive, and sustainable recovery. And this summit is going to take place from 28th September to 23rd September 2021. And in this summit this year, in this event, it will be strongly focus on inclusively revitalizing economics, where in the summit all it will welcome almost all the leaders from the government, business, and the civil society, who will work together to drive action and build momentum for the more sustainable and inclusive future. And it will be take place in Geneva, Switzerland. Next one, News Broadcasters Association, renamed as News Broadcasters and Digital Association. Now, this News Broadcaster Association is a private association of different current affairs and news television broadcasters in India, and it is now changed and it is now renamed as News Broadcasters and Digital Association. Next one, a book, Address Book, a publishing memoir in the time of COVID by Ritu Varma. It is a book which is written by the Ritu Varma, where Ritu Varma is a co-founder of Kali for Women, which is the India's first feminist press in the year 1983. And when the when the lockdown has begun in March 2020, weeks after that, Menon started to write a diary, and it is addressed as an address book. Next one, a book, Battlefield, has been authored by Vishram Badekar. This is a book which is translated from the Marathi original Ranangan, which is written by Jerry Pinto. It is a translation book called Battlefield, which is authored by the Vishram Badekar. And this book is the story of the shipboard romance between the Indian man and a German Jewish woman. And these are both are fleeing to Europe before the Second World War. Next one, a new book titled Mission Domination, an Unfinished Quest, authored by Boria Majumdar and Kushan Sarkar. This Mission Domination is this book is published by the Simon and Schuster Publishers India Private Limited. And this book talks about the short story of several Indian cricketers' lives, events such as Rishabh Pant, Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Ravindra Chandra Ashwin, Cheteshwar Pujara. And this Mission Domination and Unfinished Quest, it is authored by Boria Majumdar and Kushan Sarkar. Next one, Principal Singh becomes first Indian to be part of National Basketball Association Championship roster. Here, this Principal Singh has his name has written in the record books when he became the first Indian to be part of the National Basketball Association title winning team. He is a part of the Sacramento Kings team, which has got the 2021 NBA Summer League crown. So here Principal Singh became the first Indian to be part of NBA championship roster. Next one, British comedian Cian Locke has passed away at 58. He was one of the British finest comedian, and for his he, and he wa- he wa- he was the brilliance of his work, and he was creativity, and for his creativity and his work, he was marked as a unique voice in the British comedy. In the year 2000, Cian Locke had won the won the gong at the British Comedy Awards for the best live stand-up performance. He passed away recently at the 58, and he is a comedian. Next one. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.